What is there something that
Yeah.
we should expect kapag umattend si President Duterte sa House of Representatives na hindi na niya nasabi o hindi nagawa ng Senado?
Sa amin naman definitely we will not we will not allow any resource persons to hostage the discussion. Definitely if you're a resource person, we are hoping that you can add context to the ongoing discussion. For the understanding not only of the members but even to the general public, no. So we are expecting a more positive discussion and exchanges, despite what we've seen, what we saw during the Senate investigation. We still, on my part, I'm hopeful that he would be more straightforward in his answers, kung pupunta po siya, and definitely very conscious po kami sa sa rules ng House rules. Yan yung pag-maintain and uphold ng decorum. So if there are curses or may nag-swear sa ating mga guests at mga resource persons, definitely that would be deleted from the records. Because we don't want also that such example of how a certain public official behaves in a very formal forum or committee hearing, especially if we discuss a very important matters that affect the lives of the Filipino people. It should not be trivialized and be turned into a joke. Sabi ko nga in my kanina po nag-press briefing po kami. I was asked the same question, and ang sabi ko is, as public officers, we have to set ourselves fitting to the office that we assume. So we don't own the office. The people owns that office. So we have to maintain a standard of na tayo mismo would be a role model. And our job really is to deliver good services to the people. It is not our job to make the people laugh all the time, di ba? Our job is it's it's not to joke around, especially on matters that really are really serious. No, it affects the lives of the regular Filipino. Wala akong problema if you turn yourselves as a clown at your expense, but at the expense of probably issues on public security, at the expense of the lost lives during the war on drugs. We should not trivialize those issues by turning into a joke. Kung ikaw gusto mong katatawa-tawa ang sarili mo, that's your business, that's your concern. But not at the expense of public discourse, not at the expense of public policy. So, ang ma-assure lang namin is it's going to be very formal. We will still maintain the proper decorum, and we expect the former president to abide with this rules kasi he's a former president, and I'm sure he's aware. Being a former member of the House of Representatives, he's fully aware of the rules that we, up to now, uphold from the time that he's a representative from Davao.